Trusted by millions since 1969, Bisleri is an integral part of everyday life of millions of consumers across India. But the trust that millions have placed upon us is not blind faith. We understand that you want the best for yourself and your loved ones, and that's why we at Bisleri have a relentless commitment to quality. Each drop of Bisleri goes through a scientifically advanced purification process to ensure that you get absolute purity and safety in every sip. Bisleri is not just an ordinary bottle of water, but a promise of goodness, our labor of love. Today, let's take you through our 10-step quality process, ताकि आप भी जानें क्यों हर पानी की बॉटल बिस्लेरी नहीं. The first step is careful collection. Bisleri pays close attention to the quality of its source water. Once the source is identified and certified, it is stored in a large sterilized vessel, where the purification process starts. Purification starts with ozonization, a process which instantly kills all the harmful bacteria, which is at least 50 times more powerful and 3,000 times faster than chlorination. No other purification process is as effective as ozonization in killing 100% bacteria. Ozonized water then goes for double filtration process, sand filtration and carbon filtration. The water, when passed through a column of sand filtration, removes unwanted solid particles of up to 30 microns. The water then undergoes carbon filtration. This step helps to get rid of unwanted color, odor and harmful pesticides if any. Filtered water then goes through reverse osmosis, a purification technology that removes soluble solids from water. However, the challenge is that while reverse osmosis removes unwanted salts from water, it also eliminates essential minerals that are good for health. So, to overcome this drawback, water then moves to the mineralization stage, a very critical step wherein right amount of vital minerals such as potassium and magnesium are added, making the water healthy and giving it a sweet taste. Treated water is then stored in a large product vessel, from where it goes for another stage of purification, which is micron filtration. This stage of purification ensures that even the smallest micron particle of up to 0.45 microns is removed from the water and is ready for filling. While the water is sent for filling, ozone is again added to the water to sustain the purity and quality of water. Bisleri is bottled and packaged using highly modernized equipment. Our fully automated plant ensures the water is free from any human contact until you uncap the bottle. The bottle is made using a preform that is fed into the mold. This mold then travels to the next step, where it is blown on the spot and stretched to its size at 100 degrees Celsius. Blowing at such high temperature ensures that any harmful bacteria, if at all, is killed. Volumetric filling technique is then used to ensure that consistent pure water is filled in each bottle. Further, ozone-rinsed caps are used to seal the bottles. Only after going through the entire scientific process of purification, water is deemed fit to be labelled as Bisleri. In the final stage, a code is printed on each bottle stating the batch number, date, time and manufacturing location. Stringent quality checks are done for each and every batch so that Bisleri's quality standards are met. Overall, 114 quality tests are carried out across the manufacturing process. Bottles are then sent for casing through the conveyor belt. Bisleri has the world's first and only vertical bottling plant for mineral water. A similar process is followed for the Bisleri 20-litre jars. After the jars are blown on-site, they go through multiple stages of washing in a highly modernized machine. This intense cleaning process ensures the jars are absolutely free from any physical impurities. Purified water is then filled in jars using volumetric filling technique. Further, ozone rinsed caps are used for sealing the jars. Post-casing, the bottles and jars are ready to be sent to market through the vertical conveyor belt. The cases and jars are sent to the area where trucks are loaded. They are stacked on the pallets in batches. Batches are then lifted using a forklift and loaded on the trucks. Bisleri then goes to the market. Bisleri mineral water is not just an ordinary bottle of water. It's our promise of goodness and a symbol of purity and trust since 1969.